Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to the system you need via webhook. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Agile CRM to any system you need via webhook, conveniently store, process and interact with data in this system in every possible way. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key to get it back to your personal Agile CRM account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Select Webhooks as the data destination system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this stage you need to create a virtual webhooks account. In this window you can name it. You also need to specify the URL to send the data. In order to find out this URL, you need to refer to the documentation of the service to which you want to send data via webhook. For example, I will show how it is configured in Chorizoid. To do this, go to your Chorizoid account. Create a new process. Now we have copied the webhook to which data will be sent to Chorizoid. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you must select the type of data sending. This parameter depends on the requirements of the system to which you are transferring data. For Chorizoid system, data sending type should be PostJSON. Then you need to specify the name of the variable to which the data will be transferred. You can check the names of these variables in the support service or documentation of the system to which you want to send data via webhook. In the value field, you need to specify a variable from Agile CRM from the drop-down list, which contains the name. In order for another set of variables to appear, click Add. When all the required parameters are filled in, click Continue. At this stage, you see an example of data that will be sent to the system you need via webhook. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Webhooks. After successful sending, go to the system you need and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. This completes the setting for receiving data via webhooks. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.